cultures you are.
Okay. This lady, the lady's mother is from Llorente, Manavita. Okay. And the father is an Italiano. Okay. But recently, they are in London. That's why, when we talk to them, we were thinking that they will be talking in Italian, but they responded to us in English, British English. Okay. Mga anak nila ni Mana Vita, katapos, ini Roberta. Roberta is an artist in London.
Wow.
Yeah. Salit, dapat niya mga tattoo. So, artist niya, but they migrated, I don't know if it's the proper word, the correct word, from Tuscany. And then you went to London. Okay, and recently, and at the moment, you are staying there and making it good.